So, you might be thinking, what got me to this point? It all started like 3 years ago. I decided, why not dye my hair blue? I don't know what I was thinking, but the aftermath wasn't so great. The lesson of the story here is that I'm dyeing my hair blue for a 3rd time. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you the iconic return of blue hair dye. Blue hair. I don't know. I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out. I don't have much blonde left. Hold on, I've got a spoon in my pocket. I'm just like mixing up 2 different kind of batches, and I'm gonna have to like make way more because I've got a lot of hair. Not really, but this is like science. I've got my darker one and my lighter one. They look pretty similar, but I don't know if you can really tell because one bowl is yellow. So first of all, you need gloves. These gloves, I just kind of reuse them. The last time I dyed my hair, it was purple. So that was a long time ago. I've got the Joico Color Intensity today. And I have mermaid blue, sapphire blue, and true blue. So pretty much that wasn't recording the whole time. But, oh my gosh, shut up. But I'm just gonna like leave this strand here for like half an hour maybe, and then we're gonna see what happens from there. Alright, we're back after my trial hair piece. We're on the tube. It says process for 20 minutes. Even after that, like the brown was not touched very much. That little blue strand, that's the blonde that's throughout my hair. And that was after like 15 minutes. So, I don't really care. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's get this show on the road. Wow, I fucked up, guys. I really fucked up there. That's cool, that's perfect. Just grabbing little sections. Taking one part and just working it in there. Check the time, 7:41, so I'm probably gonna leave this on until like 8:15. Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? So we're back. I kind of left it in for a lot longer than it probably should have gone in. It's been about 45 minutes, but I'm just gonna wash it out now. Then I'll blow dry it and we'll see the results. I look like a goth chick. I'm not mad at it. Obviously, I wish my whole head was just bright blue. But this is the best I'm gonna get for the hair that I started off with. It's excuse me. It's kind of nice layering. Overall, it's kind of just what I'm gonna look like when I finally dye my hair brown again, which is probably gonna be after this. So, thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button.